Woke up with the thought of our brand new printer giving us problems, and I spent an hour on the phone with the HP helpline, and Ria from their customer service was so good. I have managed to fix the issues we were having with the printer, and now it's time to start the day. The first thing I need to do today is go work out. I didn't go work out on Monday. I'll tell you about it later, but right now I just need to pick up my bum and start moving.
Squeeze the lats and then get it. All the way, get the hand close to it. Get the blades together and push away. Nice. All the way together and push away. Try and get the steps together completely and then push all the way. Slow down and keep your glutes engaged when you do this. Push it up all the way. From track, go for 2 seconds. 1, 2, slowly. And up you don't rest at the bottom. So you go up and down. Up. Slow. Speed नीचे ही होना चाहिए. नीचे slow. 3 more reps. Down and push. Nice. Hips and shoulders together. And push. 1 more rep. Pull everything in. Slow. And up. Push your hips back. Down. Knees away from each other. And up. Oh, nice. Pull. Maybe. Pull. Slow release. Don't rush.
Just came out of the bath wearing a weird t-shirt and pajamas down. Any surprises there at this point? No, na? Okay, good. Gonna sit and eat. I'm on intermittent fasting, so I'm super hungry because I haven't eaten a single bite since morning. I do weight workouts on an empty stomach. I make sure to eat a little extra the night before. Aaj khane mein bombil hai, which I've been waiting for the past 10 days. Hi Paru Khala. Adda came in the morning and put masala on the bombil, and Paru Khala is frying the bombil and roti and dal. I'm so hungry. Okay, time to catch you up on a bunch of things that have been happening around me. So I posted on my community page a while ago that a really big trip that I had planned for 8 days in March got pushed to April, right? I finally got dates for that trip literally this morning, and I've confirmed, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. I am really happy that the dates of the trip are such, because believe it or not, so beginning of the year we brought in Alibag, then we went to Jaipur, then we went to Goa. All 3 times I have traveled this year, I've gotten my period while traveling. And I don't know if you can relate to this, but it's almost as if my uterus is like, ye travel karne wali hai, chalo, hum bhi iske saath chalenge. You know what I mean? It gets really annoying. So when I saw these dates, the first thing I was like, will I have my period at this time? No, I will not have my period at this time, which is such a huge relief, because I mean, I don't mind traveling on my period. I'm very accustomed to it. I lived out of a suitcase for like 9 to 10 months in 2019, but it's that nice, chill, free, carefree thing if I can travel without my period, obviously. So I'm really looking forward to that trip. From that trip, I am really going to try and do daily vlogs, simply because I really get excited with daily vlogs. I love doing day vlogs like this for you guys. On the regular, I know you guys want more vlogs, but jab din mein zyada kuch ho nahi raha, I don't see the point of it. You know what I mean? Like today there are a bunch of things happening, which is why I decided to sit down and be like, I'm going to vlog today. I worked out this morning, which felt really good. So today is Wednesday, and I actually missed 2 consecutive workouts before this. On Friday I missed workout because I had to take my nanny to the hospital, which is a different vlog that I'm sure you guys have seen by now. And nothing serious. In case you've missed that vlog, don't worry, it was just a routine checkup. On Monday I missed my workout because I literally had the worst cramps ever during my PMS, and I just couldn't get myself to pull myself out of bed and go to workout. One of the things that I try to do before my workout, especially when I'm on my period, even otherwise, but especially when I'm on my period, I love green tea and hot water because it just kind of soothes me. It makes me feel nice and warm inside. If you have any tips and tricks like this with regards to your period, please do share. One of the things that I've done, so when you're working out, if you are physically active, like if you go for walks or jogs, runs, workout, go to the gym, on your period, one of the weirdest things that happens to me is that I hate when I can hear my pad. I don't know if you can relate to this. I don't know if this is too much information, but you know, sometimes you can hear your pad squeaking when you're working out or walking, and that to me is one of the most ew things ever. Like, I'm so conscious that can somebody else also hear it. Apart from that, if you're working out, usually obviously like I wear really tight leggings and stuff, like you may have seen in today's workout snippets that I shared with you from this morning. If you're wearing a pad, suddenly I start feeling like it's like really thick and it's like almost like you're wearing a diaper. Few months ago, and I know I've talked about this on my Instagram, so I'm kind of talking about this here on YouTube, I think for the first time, maybe second time if I've mentioned it somewhere else. I received this PR package that had these pads in them. It's really nice and thin, and those pads are so comfortable. They are probably one of the most comfy pads I've ever used. For those of you who talk about things like menstrual cups and tampons, guys, more power to you, but I've tried it and it's not for me. I'm just being very, very honest. In fact, one second, let me show you what I've got. Okay, so the pads that I'm using are from this brand called Carmesi. They come in this box basically that looks like this. Of course, half of it is like kind of gone now. It comes with a full set of 10. I've used up some of them, and these are plant-based. In fact, the top of the pad, I know this because of course I received this in PR a while ago, so I'm just kind of being honest and transparent with you over here. The top layer of the pad, which touches your skin, your vagina, is made of corn fiber starch, if I remember correctly. In fact, if I have seen correctly, this disposable bag is also biodegradable, which is really cool. Each pad comes with this bag. So one of the biggest struggles I had when I started getting my period in the 7th standard was, oh my god, when you're switching pads, you have to go looking for like either like theli, newspaper, toilet tissue paper. I think I've tried everything over the years. This is really convenient to me because when I'm basically disposing my previous pad off, this new pad comes with a bag, so I can throw it in this and throw it in the bin. Please don't flush your pads, you guys. This brand comes with like different flow options, so you have like different sizes and different flow options, which is really, really cool. I'll go ahead and add a link to this in the info box. I'll also go ahead and add the price over here on the screen because I don't remember it at the moment. But I buy my pads in bulk, you guys. Like, the habit that I have is I don't like to, even though my period is always like on time, I don't like, because of my schedule and just like not having to keep track, I don't like to go buy one pad packet at a time. So in my inventory in the house, like jo ghar ki cheezein aati hai, I will always have extra packets of like whatever pad I'm using over there. Apart from the fact that it's biodegradable and all, what's really, really important to me, I don't know again if this is relatable, I don't know if you will think I'm sharing too much, but rashes down under are a real problem. These pads are rash free because their material is so nice and soft, and it's just really gentle on your genitals. Is that too much of a pun? If you get what I mean. It's just really gentle on your sensitive skin down under, and I don't like, you know how in skincare when you open a certain product and it has a really strong fragrance that puts you off, like I don't mind mild fragrances. This has like no fragrance, which is really great for me because I don't want my pad to have a specific odor, like it puts me off. Apart from this, if you have any other things that work for you on your period, please tell me. Things that will not give me rash and help me during my cramps, or just make my life simple. So agenda for the day is I need to go ahead and do a little bit of basic glam now. I have a video interview that I'm doing with a friend that I made through Clubhouse. You guys have heard me talk about Clubhouse a bunch of times. On Clubhouse, I met this mental health wellness expert, and she is starting or already has her YouTube channel. I'm gonna need to confirm that, but she hosts a lot of rooms on her mental health based club on Clubhouse. So today what we're going to do is talk about my mental health journey and talk about just being how honest I am with you guys about like multiple things. And if you followed my or watched my self-care Sunday series, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be doing that. So it's a video interview. I just want to do a little bit of basic makeup, like just for my concealer, just for my dark circles. I want to put a little bit of concealer and stuff. They have gotten really good off late, guys. Water is a huge secret, yeah, to just having good skin, really. So I need to go glam, and then I have another virtual meeting with Instagram after that. Let's do this. मैं थक गई, मैं बहुत थक गई. My body is paining. I shouldn't sing now. You guys will unsubscribe. Please don't unsubscribe. I'm tired. My body is paining from workout. Like my hamstrings are paining from workout. I just finished 2 virtual meetings. I have 1 more to go, but before I do that, I need to edit a vlog. The vlog that you've probably hopefully seen that's going up before this vlog needs to get edited. So I'm gonna sit and work on that now, guys. I want chai, but I'm trying to cut down on sugar, so I'm not gonna have chai. I'm gonna have green tea instead. Yeah. Paru khala, mujhe green tea dena na please. Thank you. Hi. Okay, it's almost 9:30. I spent the evening working. But over the last half an hour, I've been sitting with this puppy, and we're watching.
Justice League.
We're watching. What's the movie called? Thunder East.
Eh?
What's the movie called?
Justice League.
What's the movie called?
Justice League.
The movie's only called Justice League. I just tagged you in something completely random on Twitter. That means
You mean Snyder Cut?
Snyder Cut.
Okay, that's not the movie. The edit is called Snyder Cut.
अरे यानी मैं सही ट्रैक पे थी ना?
I mean, the movie is called Justice League. The edit is called the Snyder Cut.
Snyder Cut ठीक था ना? यानी what I tagged you on Twitter सही है ना?
I know.
Somebody's asking for reviews of it basically, and since you're watching it for the second time, I'm catching snippets. But now I've also dressed up simultaneously. Actually, makeup nahi hai. I've not done any foundation and all. I've just touched up my highlighter, mascara, and changed my lipstick. Jerry is staying home. It's one of my very close friends. It's like literally one of my closest friends' birthday today. 30th birthday. Why are you playing actions? Like, are you doing dumb charades next to me?
Because I'm dumb.
No, baby, I'm dumb. You're my charades. Mwah.
Okay.
I don't know what that meant, but it sounded cute in my head. So I'm going for a very socially distant, safe protocol dinner. She sent me the cutest message ever because she was like hoping that I come, and I have been stepping out, but not like stepping out like I know a lot of people have, with all precautions of course in place. तो मैं अपने लिपस्टिक को सेट करने रह चुकी हूँ. It has sort of set in place now. Going to wear my mask and head to her birthday dinner. I'm gonna show you her birthday present. It's really cute. He's in a weird mood.
Sit there. That's your box.
Every time a courier comes, this little girl dives right in. This is my outfit, by the way, wearing one of my oldest tops ever. Like, I literally remember wearing this for the first time for my birthday in 2016. And I didn't feel like wearing jeans, so I've kind of paired it up with these joggers. It's a little bit of a different look. I would have preferred wearing jeans myself, but I just want to go like easy. Yeah, okay. Mask is here. Hey, the gift is here. I basically threw in a whole lot of beauty pics with like chocolates and lavender scented candle and an eye mask that says "Wake me up only for coffee." Yeah, this is what we have. Lots of goodies, lots you can't see also, lots of stuff underneath also. I don't know if you can tell, but it's full. It's not heavy, but it's a tad bit heavy. I'm gonna put my mask on and get going. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karishma. I should stop singing because my voice. I thought we were gonna sing in Hindi. Yes. Tum ji baar baar ye din aaye, baar baar din ye gaaye. You know it's your best friend's birthday when you show up at home at 2:45 a.m. on a weekday, when you're someone that sleeps by like 11:30 p.m. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Please make sure to hit that bell button before you go away. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Here is the secret code for today's video. If you've made it till the end of this video, leave this as a comment down below. I love to know how many of you guys really watched the video till the end, so that will make my day. This is really dark now. I should go sleep.